Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the TikTok brush filter. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect you have to go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, so your layout might be a little different than mine. I'm using TikTok Germany. My layout is like this. Maybe in place of trending you will be seeing hot. So it doesn't matter, just slide here and find out AR filters or world. So go to the category and remember this image. You need to find this image. This is the filter. Select this and you will be directed to the rear camera. Now you can draw on your screen likewise, and you can go back likewise. And if you are not getting the filter like this, what you can do, you can go to discover, and here you can search for TikTok brushes, and here you will see some video with this effect. Now tap on the video. So as you can see in the bottom left corner of the screen, the effect icon is there. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see the record button. You can tap there, and from there also you can use this effect. Okay, let's draw likewise. And suppose you are not getting the filter from here also, so what you can do, let me go back. What you can do, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the filter icon. Just tap on the filter icon and open it with TikTok. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Now here, tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen, and that's it. You got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.